Good day everyone. Learn how to fix no sound problem in Windows 11. It is a very common issue and it is really very easy to fix it. So firstly, in the search icon, type control and you will find the best match, control panel. And from the top right corner, select large icons. Once you have done that, go to the sound section. And once you click on that, a new window will appear like this. And under playback, look for your speaker. And once you have found your speaker, like Realtek audio or anything else, if you have connected, just do a right click and click on disable, and just do a right click again and click on enable. Once you are done, do a right click again and then go to properties, go to levels and make sure it is at the right hand side and this isn't like this. So make sure it is not muted and go to the advanced section and enable audio enhancements, uncheck that, spatial sound, turn off that. Once you are done, click on OK, apply and OK, and then just click on OK. Now the next thing is to, if you have the icon of the sound icon, do a right click and go to sound settings, and here in the output section, select your right speaker and then try to play the sound, and that's it. You just need to restart the computer, and even without restarting it should work. Do let me know in the comment section whether this fix has worked for you, and I'll be glad if you hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.